Hey there. It's Sheldon with Farming Our Future and little Sawyer. He's out here with me in the field today. We've also got Gabe. Hey, Pooch.
Hey, Pooch.
Yep.
I call him a birdie.
You call him a birdie?
With wings.
With wings? Where's his wings?
No, he's not a birdie.
Yep, he's our cockapoo. His name is Gabe. Sometimes he'll come to work with me. Sometimes it's too hot, but today is a good day. A high of only, 84 today? So that's awesome. What do you think,
Yeah.
Sawyer? What are you going to teach him today?
Playing soccer.
Yeah, man. Is that what you like to do when you come with Daddy?
Yeah.
What else do you like to do when you come with Dad?
Touch soybeans.
You like to touch the soybeans?
Yeah.
Can you teach us a little bit about them? What,
Yeah.
what do you know about soybeans?
Counting them.
Counting them?
Yeah.
Nice. Is this what a soybean is right here? Is this the soybeans?
Yeah.
Right here? Should we pick one?
Yeah.
Here, how about you teach everybody about that? What's inside it?
Beans. Yeah, when we eat them. Hey.
Is it fuzzy?
Yeah.
It's kind of fuzzy. Let's show everybody. It's kind of fuzzy. If you get the light just right, you can see how big the pods are in there.
Hey, you don't
Maybe.
eat those?
No, they're too far along to eat them.
They're too big for you. They're big.
Yep, they're getting too big to eat, huh?
Yeah.
What else are we doing today? Are we flying the drone today?
Yeah.
Yeah, did I let you turn the drone on today?
Yeah. Hey, do you know put these on leaf?
You put it on the leaf?
They can go dry. Then you can go dry with a soccer ball.
Whoa!
Yeah. On leaf, see?
Whoa.
And it falls off.
And does it fall off?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Do you love soil?
Yeah.
Me too.
Do you know anyone can make soil with dirty hands?
She can make soil balls?
Yeah.
Yeah, everybody, if you haven't seen that video, go check it out. How to make soil balls with Adelina. You can look it up. It's pretty awesome. In fact, my good wife will put a link right up here. And we're going to have more videos from Adelina, Sawyer, myself, whole
And
family.
Gabriel.
And Gaber's, huh?
Hey, want to play soccer?
Yeah, buddy. That's what Sawyer likes to do with Daddy when he's out in the field with him. Whee! Falling down. What do you have to say?
This is a stick.
Yeah. What do you have to say for the viewers?